Hey everyone, I've been working on some fun little Christmas snippets, so I just wanted to kind of show you some of them and give you some ideas that might help you enjoy that process more or help make it easier. So anyway, I won't be doing a whole one on camera because of the sewing, and I don't think you want to sit there and listen to me sew. So I've done a bunch to just show you the finished product. And then I'm going to show you kind of the process on how I do these. But anyway, they're really fun and they come together really fast. And they're just perfect for just adding to a journal page that's mostly going to be for journaling. And then so it just gives it that extra little fun little piece of pizzazz. All right, so what I kind of do is I get a collection of some fabrics. These are just some little leftovers from some stockings that I made. Just little bits of upholstery fabric is what these are, and they're super fun. It doesn't have to be, it can just be cotton, it can be whatever. And then I get a collection of some different lace, just lots of different varieties. And then I get a few different collections of some papers. This is music paper I've just torn and it's ready to go. This is just a book page that I've torn and inked up. And then I get little pictures. So these are just some that I've printed from various kits just to kind of be the focal point. And there's a collection of those. And oh, I have some numbers I thought could be fun too. Especially like, I'll show you, this one's going to have a 25 for, because Christmas is December 25th. And then I get some little tidbits, just little labels or knickknacks to kind of layer with. You could also do some little flowers or little charms or whatever you want. I have another little collection that I've just started working on. These are just some little labels for words. These are tabs, so those could be fun too. Anyway, just a collection of little odds and ends like that. And then I typically just start layering them. So here's an example. I have a piece of lace, and then usually I'll put maybe some kind of paper in the background. This is going to be my 25. I'll put a 25. And then I want some other interest in there, so maybe a little piece like that. And then maybe a word. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention words. I get a collection of words too. So it's just going to go like that, and then I'm probably going to do some zigzagging, maybe some straight stitching, whatever I want, so that it is all connected and sewn like this one is, because that sewing just adds such a fun little touch. Anyway, so then I'll go through and I'll just plan like 5 or 6, however many I want, and then just sew. Let's see, here's another example. I have this piece of brown fabric, but it's like lacy. Then this is a patterned paper scrap that I liked. Just pile that on there. Make sure you can kind of see everything, because you don't want to cover everything. Maybe some lace like that. Maybe I'll put that paper under. And then a little word, deck the halls. So then that one's ready to go be sewn. I like it. Looks good. Alright, here's some red fabric. This is just upholstery fabric, but I love it. It's very Christmassy. It's got a little bit of gold thread in there. Maybe put some lace on the side. And I like it if there's fraying and lace hanging over the edge. I don't like them to be too perfect. Let's do one of these word pages. And here's a fun picture. poinsettia. I think I want a little more red fabric to show, so I might just angle that just a little bit. And then maybe a word, just like that. So there's another one. Anyway, you can just see how quick they come together. Just play with it. If you can't find something you like, that's okay. Just keep messing with it until you get that balance that you like, that looks good. And you'll know it when you see it. It will just come together and you'll go, oh, there it is. That's what I like. Oh, that one's bugging me. This one needs some lace somewhere. Maybe we should do this one in the background. Anyway, you get the idea. Oh, that's fun. I like that. So just have fun with it. Just enjoy, and it's a pretty relaxing process. So don't stress out about it. Just enjoy and then sew away. Ooh, I like this one with it. I think I like that direction. How about warmth? Maybe. Anyway, so there's some more ready to sew. I'd love to see what you guys come up with. So anyway, thank you for watching and happy snippet making. Bye.